Located just 3 miles from ASU and a few minutes from Tempe Town Lake, this home offers the perfect mix of lifestyle, location, and investment opportunities. Located about 3 miles from ASU, just minutes from Tempe Town Lake, and the energy of Mill Avenue, this home offers the perfect mix of lifestyle, location, and investment potential. Inside, you'll find a thoughtfully designed layout with a split floor plan and a spacious primary ensuite. The kitchen is clean and modern with quartz countertops, a large island, and stainless steel appliances, plus luxury vinyl flooring throughout with new carpet and fresh paint. Completely move-in ready. The backyard is exactly what you want in Arizona. Low maintenance, easy to enjoy, and built for use all year round. If you've been searching in Tempe, you already know how hard it is to find a home like this. For more information or to schedule a private showing, reach out to me today.